A dragonfly's eyes dominate almost its entire head. Each compound eye contains tens of thousands of ommatidia, tiny lenses that detect motion and light. This gives dragonflies a nearly 360-degree field of view, extremely high motion sensitivity, fast visual processing. These abilities allow them to track moving prey with exceptional accuracy. Some studies in controlled environments have recorded hunting success rates as high as 95% for certain dragonfly species. In the wild, success is variable, but dragonflies remain among nature's most efficient insect predators.